this mangoes and fresh cream. Sit in front of the TV in your pajamas, have it delivered, share it with your loved ones.
Did you know that the mango is believed to have existed in the Indian subcontinent for millions of years? And we officially began cultivating and breeding mangoes over 4,000 years ago. Maybe even earlier.
We have something called a dakwas, which is a flourless egg white sponge with cashew nuts in it.
India grows more mangoes than almost the entire world. Yes, we grow over 40 to 45% of the world's mangoes. No wonder then that the mango is India's national fruit, which feels correct emotionally, spiritually, and politically. And finally, did you know that there are over 1,500 varieties of mangoes in India? Alfonso, Langda, Dasheri, Bangan, Palli, Kesar, Pairi, Badami, Neela, Rajapuri, Totapuri, Malgova, Subarnarekha, Chausa. I can go on and on and on. वेंकीज प्रेजेंट्स खाना नंबर 1 में आपका स्वागत है। आपको पता ही चला होगा कि ये एपिसोड किसके बारे में है। मुंबई में, महाराष्ट्र में, पूरे देश में आम का सीजन है। हर जगह आप जहां देखोगे आम ही आम है। तो चलिए, वेंकीज प्रेजेंट्स खाना नंबर 1 मैंगो स्पेशल। तो इस एपिसोड की शुरुआत हम मीठे से करते हैं। वी आर गोइंग टू अ प्लेस कॉल्ड गातो। It is a fabulous patisserie, and Shania over there is an expert at desserts. तो चलिए, क्योंकि आम की मिठास है बहुत दिल के पास। Let's go.
Hi, my name is Shania. I run Gato. I have been doing this for the last 7 years. We started Gato in 2019. So Gato is French for pastry or dessert, and we run a French patisserie. We do French desserts. We specialize in that, and we love to feed people.
Forget the fact that we're talking mangoes for this episode. Just looking at these lovely desserts and lovely cakes is making me just gush and mouth water. But before that, let me introduce you to Shania. Shania is the genius behind Gato. I have watched her since you opened your shop for the first time. And you were doing wonderful little things.
Thank you.
And see where you've gone today. Every time mango season comes, I think there's a rush in this shop, isn't there?
Oh, definitely. Yeah? I mean, if we have less than a dozen mangoes in our shop, then we are running short.
Well, first tell me what is over here. What do we have here?
We have 3 of our mango desserts. The best one being the simplest one of all, which is the mango tart.
Okay.
So we have a tart, then we have a vanilla custard inside, and then we have fresh mango pieces.
Okay.
And we coat it with a little bit of mango compote only to prevent it from becoming brown. And then a little touch of whipping cream, because who doesn't like whipping
Everyone
cream?
likes cream.
Exactly.
Okay.
This is basically like a tropical take. So we have...
So there's coconut in this. It
Yeah.
looks like desiccated coconut. Okay.
Absolutely. So we have a coconut mousse as well. So we have a coconut mousse on the outside.
Okay.
And then on the inside, we have a vanilla sponge. We have fresh mango. And then we have raspberry.
Ooh.
So we call it the mango melba. So I kind of took it off peach melba.
Okay.
I wanted to kind of mix the sweet and the tart of the raspberry.
Nice.
And coconut just, it's one of those, you know, it goes with everything.
Well, okay, I'm going to take you on that because
I know
I'm
most-
now imagining how the coconut is going to go with the mango.
I know most people are
In a
skeptical.
curry, yes. Coconut and mango, yes.
I know most people are so skeptical of a coconut mousse and coconut in a dessert, but try it.
I will try it.
Definitely.
For sure.
This is our newest mango dessert. It's called Lumiere. And
Lumiere.
Yeah, we just have to give it a French touch.
And it glows.
That's why Lumiere. So this happens to be a gluten-free dessert. So inside we have a gluten-free sponge made with egg whites and cashew nuts.
Okay.
So it's called dakwas.
Okay.
And then we have a insert of mango, and then we have a vanilla mousse on outside.
Okay, and this yellow is...
So that's actually a mango jelly, like a jelly glaze.
Okay.
So we make everything in-house. It doesn't have any color in it. The color is of our Alfonso mango.
Of the mango. Now we're going to get her to cut one slice out.
Yes.
Because I want to try this. And we will do it gently. Watch her. Then I'm going to sit and have a cup of coffee.
Absolutely.
Yeah, with a little
Done.
table outside in your shop, and
Perfect.
Shall we?
We'll start with the tart.
Actually, I thought I'll have the whole thing, but I think we'll cut it into half and try it. It may become a little too much. Oh, that's beautiful.
There we go.
I love the cross section. I love the way I can see what is inside.
So for anyone who is eggless, this is the only one that you'll be getting. Unfortunately, sorry about that.
I have this perpetual argument that eggs are vegetarian.
Oh, thank you. Ask them how much I argue with people. It's vegetarian.
True. My sponsor is an egg company, and we've proven it in the lab that egg is vegetarian. These three are looking so wonderful. All I need to do is sit down now. 1 cup of black coffee.
Let's have it.
And these 3 wonderful mango. There's a celebration of mango actually happening here. As you can see, mango season is in full glory at Gato. And I've got 3 fabulous desserts made out of fresh mango. While I would like to start from here, I'm going to start with the mango tart because ostensibly is the simplest mango dessert, straightforward, but not that easy to make. But I'm going to try it now. This is a classical tart shell at the bottom with fresh mango. In your whole life, nothing tastes as good as fresh Alfonso mango. Oh, cold chilled Alfonso mango on the base of vanilla. This is just fabulous. I'm going to have one more piece. It's like a hot Mumbai summer suddenly becoming cool, relaxed with this fresh flavor of mango in it. Oh, it's beautiful. Now, the mango melba. Melba because it's been created like the classical peach melba. I mean, it's been influenced by that. The vanilla sponge, the mango, the raspberry, and desiccated coconut on top. The sponge is so light, it's fluffy and creamy. Oh, this is delicious. If you're thinking that this is very coconutty, it's not. It just gives you that slight amount of richness and toastiness and nuttiness of the coconut. But it's all full of mango raspberry flavor. I just love desserts which have biscuity bases, something to crunch on beyond the cream. And now the Lumiere. Lumiere in French, I think means luminous, or maybe not. But look at this. This is luminous, isn't it? Again, full mango. Once again, we've got a bottom which is nice and crunchy. It's a paste of cashew, very nice, crunchy, chewy, with the luxuriousness of cream and vanilla and the mangoes. What a season! Mango season has started, guys. अभी इसके बाद हम जाएंगे, मीठा तो हो गया, अभी इसके बाद थोड़ा और मैंगो डिस्कवरी करेंगे, थोड़ा इंडियन जाएंगे, थोड़ा तीखा जाएंगे, थोड़ा सेवरी जाएंगे और देखते हैं ये आम की जर्नी हमें कहाँ ले जाता है. जाएं, चले, लेट्स गो.
Come together with Venky's.
इतना मीठा मैंने बहुत दिनों में नहीं खाया. मुंह पूरा मीठा हो गया तो मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा कुछ सेवरी हो जाए, लेकिन विथ मैंगो. तो मैं पहुंचा हूं आमची, जो है चौपाटी पर, और वहां और आम खाएंगे, लेकिन अलग सा. चलिए आमची, और वी नीड सम मोर मैंगोस. आम
I'm Pinky Chandan Dikshit, and I'm the co-founder of Amchi Cafe in Babulnath. Today we are bringing you the Aam menu at Amchi. And Aam means not common, but mangoes.
हाँ, मैंने बोला था कि बहुत सारा मीठा हो गया, लेकिन कुछ मीठा ऐसा होता है आम के साथ जो यू कैनॉट अवॉइड. आमरस पूरी तो खानी ही है, मैंगो लस्सी तो पीनी ही है, लेकिन बिसाइड्स दैट यहाँ महाराष्ट्र मुंबई फूड थोड़ा इवॉल्व करके सर्व करते हैं. वी गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ नाइस मैंगो सेवरी डिशेस ऑल्सो. हर चीज जो मेरे सामने है उसमें मैंगो है. यहाँ से शुरुआत करता हूँ मैं. दिस इज अ अल्फोंसो मैंगो साल्सा टोस्टाडा. टोस्टाडा यानी ये नीचे जो टोस्टाडा है वो भाकरी से बनाया हुआ है. तो ये अपना so this chopped mango with capsicum mixed with a nice, mixed like a salsa, and on this bhakri and with cream on top. Taste करें इसको. Mango की मिठास, चटपटा मसाला, crunch of the capsicum on this lovely crispy bhakri. Mango is a tropical fruit finally, and salsa is so tropical. This is just perfect. और अल्फोंसो मैंगो तो अल्फोंसो मैंगो है ही. ओके, अब इसके बाद मैं यहाँ आता हूँ. यह है अपने फेमस दही के कबाब. दही के कबाब आपने खाए हैं, लेकिन इस दही के कबाब के अंदर आम है. आम पापड़ी है.
We do a dahi and aam papad ke kebab, which is a very traditional way of making hung curd kebab. But these are flavored with aam papad because it gives that nice zing to the paneer and it takes away from the creaminess and builds up the flavor.
You know, आम पापड़ी जो होती है ना, थोड़ी खट्टी, थोड़ी मीठी, थोड़ी मसालेदार, नमकीन, और ये दही के कबाब में है. What a wonderful combination. The soft richness of a dahi ke kebab और उसके अंदर आम पापड़ी की तो टेस्ट आप जानते हो, थोड़ी हरी मिर्च और ये चटनी. दिस इज वेरी इनोवेटिव. आप यहाँ आकर खा सकते हो, घर में भी ट्राई कर सकते हो. अब ये अब ये पराठा मुझे बुला रहा है. दाल के पराठे. इट्स सर्व्ड विद अ आम की लौंजी, which is like a chutney come gravy come. So let's try this dal ka paratha. स्टफ्ड दाल पराठा, आम की लौंजी, कलौंजी है विच इज अनियन सीड्स, आम को छोटे छोटे छोटा काटा है, थोड़ा मीठा है, थोड़ा तीखा है, सौंफ है इसमें, और इट्स लिटरली इन बिटवीन अ मुरब्बा एंड अ ग्रेवी डिश. इट्स वेरी अनयूजुअल, वेरी नाइस. एक और ट्राई करते हैं. और ये पराठा दाल से स्टफ किया हुआ, क्वाइट अमेजिंग. थोड़ा ही खाते हैं क्योंकि बहुत खाना है अभी. This is like a spicy puran puri, literally, with a खट्टा मीठा तीखा अचार, if I may call it. अभी देखते हैं ये क्या है. अब अगर आप एक महाराष्ट्रियन रेस्टोरेंट में आओगे या सेमी महाराष्ट्रियन रेस्टोरेंट में भी आओगे तो मसाले भात तो बनता है. अब और ये मसाले भात जो चावल होता है, जो मसालों से कुक होता है, इज गॉट कच्ची कैरी ऑन टॉप, एंड द दाल दैट इट इज सर्व्ड विद हैज आल्सो गॉट कैरी इन इट, एंड दिस इज फ्रेशली मेड कैरी का अचार. थोड़ा कैरी का अचार डाल के इसको मजेदार तरह से खाते हैं. वैसे तो महाराष्ट्र स्टाइल मसाले भात मेरा फेवरेट है, फिर उसमें कैरी डाली है. वे दाल थोड़ा पिठलं जैसा है दाल, और महाराष्ट्र पिठलं होता है ना वैसे, ठीक है. बेसन, उसमें भी कैरी डाली है, और फिर कैरी का अचार. तो ये हो गया हमारा सेवरी. अभी आमरस पूरी खानी है. लेकिन यहां आमरस पूरी इज बीइंग सर्व्ड विद भिंडी की सब्जी. आमरस पूरी. जस्ट फैबुलस. ठंडा ठंडा आमरस, प्योर अल्फोंसो मैंगो का बना हुआ. वैसे मुझे पायरी का भी आमरस बहुत अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि ये अल्फोंसो है, हापुस, और गरम गरम पूरी के साथ. अभी मैं ये ट्राई करने वाला हूँ भिंडी. खाए भिंडी या अवॉइड करे भिंडी, मैं ट्राई करना चाहिए ना. डेडली कॉम्बिनेशन. कुरकुरे मसालेदार भिंडी, आमरस और पूरी. फैंटास्टिक. वैसे पूरी के साथ आमरस अच्छा लगता ही है, लेकिन ऐसे भी अच्छा लगता है आमरस. और उसके बाद थोड़ा मीठा, mango and cream.
The one you must come for, my personal favorite, is this mangoes and fresh cream. Sit in front of the TV in your pajamas, have it delivered, come and sit here and enjoy it, share it with your loved ones, and make special for Amchi.
Freshly chopped mangoes with cream, a little bit of mint leaf on top. तो ये था हमारा एपिसोड मैंगो पर. मैंगो यानी आम के सीजन पर आम के साथ हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. बस मैंगो लस्सी बाकी है. इससे पहले कि आई फिनिश दिस मैंगो लस्सी एंड स्टार्ट हैविंग इट एंड टेस्टिंग इट, प्लीज लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट, एंड चीयर्स मैंगो लस्सी. थोड़ी खट्टी, थोड़ी मीठी. मैं 3 बार बोल चुका हूं, थोड़ी खट्टी, थोड़ी मीठी. ब्यूटीफुल मैंगो लस्सी. टिल द नेक्स्ट टाइम, देखते रहिए वेंकीज प्रेजेंट्स खाना नंबर 1.